What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the saturation of a video in DaVinci Resolve. So firstly, you're going to add your video to the timeline that you want to change the saturation for. Then what you're going to do is to go to Color tab here in the bottom of the DaVinci Resolve. Here you have two options to increase the saturation, or you will add the AI function on DaVinci Resolve by clicking on this A icon, which stand for auto balance, or you will increase the saturation or decrease the saturation manually. You will go here at saturation in the bottom. Now it's set on 50%, so let's increase it to 100. And as you can see here, our video is more colorful because the saturation has been increased. Or you can decrease the saturation by putting a number under 50. As you can see, now the saturation has decreased. So as simple as this, you can decrease or increase the saturation of your video in DaVinci Resolve. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.